Jasmine Murani for KTN News.
Now, away from that, the national carrier Kenya Airways has donated a defunct plane to Mang'u High School as part of the company's strategy to improve aviation curriculum in the country. In readiness for the development of the industry, according to Transport Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen, the aviation industry is expected to grow twofold in the next 2 decades, with the number of operational airlines doubling from the current 17,000 to over 35,000. An issue that could see labor demand in the industry increase significantly. Kenya Airways Chief Executive Alan Kilavuka, on his part, noted the move underscores the importance of public partnerships in advancing educational goals, hoping that the gesture will inspire other organizations to join in supporting education and shaping brighter future for the Kenyan youth.
This initiative also underscores the importance of public-private partnerships in advancing our government education and aviation reforms and ensuring that our young people have access to the requisite tools and opportunities necessary for the creation of successful careers. The aviation sector in Africa has expansive opportunities and vacancies that remain unfulfilled. According to a recent report by the International Air Transport Association, Africa needs 55,000 skilled aviation professionals in the next 2 decades, including 15,000 pilots, 17,000 technicians, and 23,000 cabin crews. The question therefore remains, how can we as a country benefit from these opportunities? What do we need to do to establish dominance in continent's aviation sector and export talent and skills to the continental and global markets? One of the ways of doing is by encouraging the creation of incubators for innovation and talent development. Secondly, we need to encourage CSR initiatives such as this that will empower our students and bequeath them the tactical, technical, and technological know-how that will give them an edge over their peers.
We have just started a discussion with universities, particularly TUK, Technical University of Kenya, and KU, to make sure that we are impacting or influencing the curriculum, because we want to see that the curriculum is relevant to us as the biggest airline in this country and this region. And so we are now influencing their curriculum and making sure that they are relevant to the industry.
So I speak to you young men and I tell you 2 things. You are privileged. This is a rare opportunity and you are positioned. You are positioned for greatness, and it is through wisdom that you can take advantage of the opportunity that befalls you here today.
Away from that, the Nairobi Coffee Exchange is mulling a cupping laboratory